Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is HIJABADORE here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I whiten my teeth professionally at home. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. This video is sponsored by Smile Brilliant. I didn't even care if it wasn't sponsored. Like, I just wanted the whitening kits for my teeth. That's all I cared about. This is their logo, and I'll show you what's in the box. But they reached out to me to do a review for them. Alright guys, so I just want to show you my before and after pictures. Okay, so like a few years ago when I was not a tea drinker, my teeth were really white, and a lot of times even on my channel a lot of people would ask me how do you whiten your teeth and stuff. And actually my uncle is a dentist, so when I used to go to school, kids in my class would be like, her uncle is a dentist, maybe that's why her teeth are so white. I'm like, no, they're not. And then I've even done like a at-home teeth whitening video for you guys, you know, like a DIY kind of video. And then something unfortunate happened. I started having migraines, like really bad ones, so I had to start drinking tea, black tea, not even the tea that has milk in it or anything. I just drink black tea. So what that does, it really stains my teeth real badly. Like, I go to my dentist every 6 months and still my teeth, they're staining really badly because of the tea, and I can't even stop it because I have to drink tea. Like, the day I don't drink tea, I would get a migraine. So I don't really have a choice. But then every time I would sit down to watch my videos, or you know, to edit my videos, I'd be so insecure looking at my teeth. So a lot of times, like, I would just cut out the part where I'm applying my lipstick. I started last week and I only do it whenever I have time. My gums are pretty sensitive and my teeth feel pretty sensitive too, so that's why I don't try to do it every night. I only do it like every 2 days or every 3 days. But still, whatever I do, I feel like I'm really happy with the results. Like right now I'm looking at my teeth in my monitor and I'm just like, are these for real, my teeth? Like, now I just don't want to stop smiling. I still have a lot of the syringes left, so what I'm gonna do, like, I'm still gonna be using their system and, you know, whiten my teeth even more because I just really want my white teeth back. So that's why. The first thing, when you sign up, you get this little box, and this box has stuff like this. So what you do, you take your teeth impression and then you send it to them, and then they send you your custom made whitening trays. So these are my custom made whitening trays. So you get 2 of these, one for your top ones and then the other one is for your bottom ones, and then you get them in this little case that has little holes in it, so even if they're wet they can still dry out. And these custom fitted trays are like made for your teeth, so they actually go to each and every corner and really help whiten your teeth. So you get 3 whitening gel syringes, and actually each syringe, like, I just ran out of 1 syringe, so I was able to do like 4 to 5 applications with 1 syringe, which is pretty cool. This is after using just 1 whole syringe. So you get 3 of these, and you can actually wear these from 45 minutes to 3 hours depending on your tolerance and your likings. Honestly, the first time I did it, I only did it for like 30 minutes, and then last night I did it for like an hour and a half. And then you get 3 oh my god, I cannot say it, desensitizing gels. 3 of these also come in little tubes, like little syringes, and you just put them in your whitening trays and then you just wear it. And I just want to show you how I take the impressions. I take 1 of the base and then 1 of the catalyst paste. So what you basically do, first you take off your ring, make sure that you brush your teeth and you don't have nothing nasty stuck on your teeth or anything. So this is the base paste, and then this white one is the catalyst paste. Oh my god, this is really sticky, so you have to be really careful and be really fast with it. So you just gotta mix these 2 together, because if you don't hurry up, it will actually start hardening in your hands. And honestly, it's okay if you mess up because they send you one extra pair of the base and catalyst, so yeah, you have a little bit room to mess up. Okay, so once you see that it has turned this one uniform color, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go like this, make a ball. This is what I did, and then I make it like this, and then I take the little impression things that come in the box. I'm so sorry with all the terms. Okay, and then you just put it in here just like this, and then you put it in your mouth and take impressions. So I'm not really gonna wait because this is just for the video purposes, just to show you guys. So you just hold it inside of your mouth. Okay, and then you remove it out of your mouth after 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, this would be hardened and ready to be shipped back to them. So your box would also have a blue envelope like this, and that would have a prepaid shipping label. And what you would do, you would just take your impressions and you would put it in here along with the little impression taking trays. Don't take them out, and make sure that you don't forget to fill out this card that is gonna come with your envelope and the whole box. So you're just gonna fill this card out and you're gonna put it in the little envelope and you're just gonna seal it, and then you're gonna ship it out, and then you're gonna wait. So then after sending out your impressions, your trays are gonna take like maybe like a week. Mine only took like 5 days, and then they came to me, and these are my trays. This is what it comes in. So basically, once you get your trays, what you're gonna do, I will just show you how the syringes look like, because I have to open one anyways because I already ran out of my first whitening gel syringe. So this is the whitening gel, and this is how it would look like. And what you would do, you would just break this little seal on top here, and then it's actually reclosable, so don't worry. And then what you're gonna do, you will just apply the gel onto the trays, and you're just really gonna apply it very thinly. Don't apply too much, okay? And then what you're gonna do, okay, you're just gonna wear it just like this. And in the beginning when I started it, I couldn't I need to take it out. In the beginning when I started it, like I would wear this and then I wasn't able to talk, maybe because I was applying too much of this gel. So then I just started applying a little bit of it. So now whenever I'm wearing my trays, I can actually talk. I sound weird, but I can still talk. And you know, I would just edit my videos, go pick up my daughter from her school, and you know, do whatever I want to do. I usually like to do it at night though. Only did it once during the daytime, but I just did not like to do it in the daytime. I just like to do it when I do my nighttime skincare. That's when I just, you know, apply these trays in my mouth and then do the rest of my skincare or do whatever. And then, you know, once it's time, I would just take it out. After that, you're gonna take them out, brush your teeth, and then you're gonna apply the desensitizing gel in here, and then you're just gonna pop back into your mouth, onto your teeth. And then you only do the desensitizing for like 10 to 15 minutes. That's what I do. The desensitizing gel really helps with the mineral and anything that's lost during the whitening process. It just restores everything back into your teeth, and your teeth are healthy. After desensitizing, I just do not like to eat or drink anything. I mean, you can after like 30 minutes, but I just don't. I just directly go to bed, and then the next morning I wake up with a very pearly smile. It's a very easy process, and I feel it's worth it. This is legit professional teeth whitening, and honestly, I got deep cleaning done thinking that it would clean my teeth and, you know, get rid of all the stains, but it doesn't. Like, the deep cleaning is only for your gum health and your teeth health. It's not for whitening purposes. I did not know that, but I mean, you should always still get deep cleaning done because it's important for your teeth. But for whitening, my dentist wanted to charge me like $400, and I'm like, heck no. So now comes the best part. I will be giving away one of their Smile Brilliant whitening kit, yes, which is valued $139 and you can win one. Just go to my description box. There's gonna be a link that is provided to me by Smile Brilliant, and you just go onto that link, and I think you have to enter your name and your email address. I mean, of course, all the details I'll put in the description box. You have to be subscribed though on my YouTube channel. So yeah, one lucky subscriber would have the opportunity to win their own Smile Brilliant whitening kit, and this giveaway is gonna run for 2 weeks. After the upload of this video, of course, I'll put the date in the description box down below so you can be more sure. And also there's gonna be a $20 off coupon code, so instead of paying $139, you'll be able to pay a lot less, $20 less. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and also follow me on Instagram, like my page on Facebook, subscribe over here, follow me on Twitter as well. And that's it for this video, guys, and good luck. Take care. Bye.